Welcome back to another tips and tricks session. In this session, I'm going to talk about draw data. Let's go. One of the important challenges in data science is data, of course. And sometimes it is really difficult to find the proper data to test our algorithm. And we get exhausted to just search about the data. But Drawdata provides a proper frame to create our own data just by drawing. Let's jump in coding. At first, I need to import some important library such as Drawdata, pandas, and the seaborn. Also, you can use a matplotlib as well. But how should you install each library? You can just use pip install Drawdata, pip install pandas, and pip install seaborn. Let's create a draw scatter object by just say draw scatter and parentheses and run it. Actually, it said it doesn't define because I forgot to run my libraries. So as you can see, this is a frame that I can draw my data. Look at here. We have to consider that this way just create 4 different classes of data for myself. I create, for example, one data with this shape and then choose another class, for example, with this shape, and also, for example, another class like this. Also, I want to have 4 classes, so I choose a D as well. Now, simply, I can just download the CSV. If I want to show for us, you can see it is a kind of CSV for X, Y, and the Z, and the Z is the label of my CSV. For example, here is A, as you actually click here A, and the other one should be B for us. For example, as you can see, it is a B, C, and D. But also you can copy the CSV in this notebook and use it further. For example, I said df pandas.read from clipboard. It means that from whatever I save, and then I use it the separation by a comma, and then I can print a df as well. As you can see, this is the CSV that I have created only manually by actually drawing. But if I want to plot my data, I can use a matplotlib or a seaborn. For example, I use a seaborn here and I say SNS replot, and the data that I have to pass is my data frame, and I said that the X1 is the X. It means that the X1 is the name of my column, it's a X. And for the Y1, choose the Y column here, and for the label, please use a Z column here. This is the data that we created very easily. I hope you can enjoy these tips and tricks. If you have a question, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Give us thumbs up and bye.